Now do you remember our first equation was a plus b is equal to 70. So putting a as 43, so 43 plus b is 70. B we will be getting as 27. And in this way we have obtained the values of missing frequencies A and B. Let us now learn about median with missing frequency. Means an example where classes are given, and again in the column of frequency we are having two unknown frequencies x and y, and here as I told you for mode also, okay, here the number of total observation n will be given, and as given in the question n is equal to 165. Even the value of median must be given. So here median is equal to 38.2, right? So whenever we are finding median, normally we are drawing three columns and we obtain this cumulative frequency. So let us first obtain cumulative frequency. You know how to obtain it. 5 plus 11, 16, then keep on adding 16 plus x, then 16 plus 53 will become 69 plus x, then 69 plus x plus y, then it will be 69 plus 16 which will be 85 plus x plus y, 85 plus 10 will be 95 plus x plus y. So it is but obvious that the last total must be 95 plus x plus y. Now first process is same. Compare this value with n. So we will be getting 95 plus x plus y is equal to 165, right? So our equation will be x plus y is equal to 70. This is the first result, right? Now again we will be finding the same formula we will be using for median. M is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF whole by F into H. So for that again we will see what is the value of median, which is 38.2 here. Now see the classes 38.2 lies here in the class 32 to 41. So again this will be your median class and lower limit will be 32, right? The total frequency as I gave you is 165. So we will be dividing it by 2. So we will be writing here first the data. Median class is equal to 32 to 41. As n is equal to 165, so n upon 2 will be equal to 82.5, right? L, the lower limit as I told you is 32. What else do you need is frequency. So frequency of this class will be 53. We can see the median class is 32 to 41. So frequency F is 53 and C is same, that is 9, 41 minus 32. So we will write here the value of C, that means as I told you is H, is 9. Now we have all the data. Let us put it into the formula. M is equal to L plus N upon 2 minus CF whole by F into H. Now so putting the values we get 38.2 is equal to 32 plus 82.5, that is the value of n upon 2, minus CF cumulative frequency which was 16 plus x whole divided by frequency which is 53 into 9. So 38.2 minus 32 will be obviously 6.2. This if we open the bracket it will become 82.5 minus 16 which is 66.5 minus x whole by 53 into 9, right? So this will become 6.2 into 53 upon 9 is 66.5 minus x. So this after calculating we will be getting 36.5 is equal to 66.5 minus x. So the value of x is equal to 30. Now if you remember, our first result was x plus y is equal to 70. Putting this value of x into this result, we will be getting 30 plus y is 70, and so the value of y is equal to 40. Thank you.